Hey guys, in this video, we're breaking down the 5 best wax for black car available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 1 is the CarGuys Hybrid Wax Sealant. If you've ever waxed your vehicle only to discover that you've transferred the formulation on any rubber or plastic parts, you'll be aware that certain products can make those materials to white. It's a major hassle since it takes time, the routine of cleaning your car. It's not just that you have to get it cleaned, next time you will have to be extra cautious to avoid repeating the same mistake or, like a lot of us, don't remember and must clean it off all over and again. It's not necessary to worry about this with this product. Its sophisticated formula is safe to apply to all surfaces. According to the CarGuys, you can polish your car in just 15 minutes or less. In addition, you'll get a beautiful, streak-free shine every time. It's a pretty impressive list of claims, and it doesn't stop there. CarGuys is a reputable company. CarGuys are so confident that you will enjoy this product that they provide the possibility of a full refund in case you're not happy. Moving up at number 2 is the Turtle Wax T3 KT Black Box Kit. If you're trying to find everything you require to efficiently take care of your car's look, then this is the right product for you. It's basically everything you require, all conveniently packed in one compact box. The package even comes with application tools. Inside, you'll discover waxes, pre-cleaners along with conditioners, each one specially designed and tinted to use with darker colors. They can be a great help to restore the luster of old paints, especially in covering the streaks of swirling and surface imperfections which can be the drawback of black paint. The built-in UV protection is extremely useful as it provides long-term protection for painting from harm due to the sun's harmful rays. In addition to all of that, however, as a pleasant extra, you'll also have the security that comes from an acknowledged and trusted brand such as Turtle Wax. At number 3 on our list is the Meguiar's G6207 Black Wax Paste. You appreciate your car, however, you don't want to keep scrubbing it every single weekend, do you? There are more enjoyable activities to enjoy than that. If this sounds like you, then this product from Meguiar's may be the one for you. It is specifically designed to be used for the dark paint. It means that one coat will add incredible shine to your vehicle. What's more amazing is that it's specially made to offer protection over the course of months. Think about all the time you could get back and what you can accomplish with it. At just 7 ounces, it's one of the smaller ones that we've included on the list. However, when you apply it, you'll quickly realize that a small amount can go far with this long-lasting formula. It'll take some time before you have to apply a new coat. At number 4 is the Turtle Wax T374 KTR Color Magic Car Polish. It's the most affordable product on the list, but be careful not to think that this is a bargain bin choice. First thing you should look for is the name of the company that is on the bottle. It's none other than Turtle Wax. Being one of the most reputable manufacturers for car care products, this is the first indication the product likely give you plenty of value for money. The other thing to be aware of about this item is the fact that it offers something more than your typical car wax. It does contain wax, and will fulfill the same functions similar to a common product of this kind, but it does it with a superior quality with streak-free and long-lasting shine. However, it's also an advanced formulation that incorporates numerous other dyes and pigments. They are used together to cover swirls on the surface and assist in restoring an old black paint to a sparkling shine. As we've mentioned, it might be affordable, but it's not an affordable option. The 5th product on our list is the CarGuys HOL 203 Black Car Kit. From the cheapest from the bottom of the list to the most costly, the kit comes in at less than $100. What do you get from that investment? Well, quite a lot, it turns out. The first thing you should note in this case is that the kit is produced by the highly respected CarGuys. This means that you're investing money into top quality and premium product. This kit basically has everything you require in one package. It is different from other kits in this list. It contains everything you require to wax your car's black paint. It also includes everything you require to wash your vehicle too. This is crucial since your car needs to be spotless before applying or apply any other wax. It's the bits that are hard dirt, or even grit that are left behind that could cause ugly scratches and swirls to show up on the paintwork. This kit comes with excellent cleaning soaps and high-end microfiber towel and applicators, as well as waxes specifically created to make dark vehicles appear stunning. Yes, it's expensive, however you get an abundance of high-quality products for the price. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.